Me, I'm Spanish and I'm strongly Italian in the way I'm working. Then I'm an example of that. I feel strongly part of the Italian Sistema Italiano of design. I think I have the honor first to be related to a company that is being connected with, strongly with design. I think for 9 decades related to the most important architects and designers. First, did a lot of research. It's a company that has a strong heritage and an incredible archive, 600 pieces. That all these could be quite a kind of heaviness, or kind of important, heavy, fantastic thing. But I think when you have in front of you a responsibility which could be heavy and strong, you have to live it in a kind of light way. Then I try to really be very experimental, very open-minded, make them look through the project in another way. The last year we did the 90th anniversary, and I was saying, no, when you get 90 years old, or you decide you are an old person, or you decide you are finally young, then we are going to use the metaphor of digital implementation, which is Cassina 9.0, and we did a party with a lot of little tricks of new technologies inserted in the walls, and then when you were sitting in one of our products, the wall was speaking to you, or something was happening, and projections and things, the light was changing, a lot of interactive things. I think all this Internet of Things, all those virtual interactions that we will have in all our elements of architecture and micro technologies connected to our way of living, is going to be another passage. It's in front of us and it's happening already. Then we have to be very open to that. And I think Cassina is a company that has to be connected with the past and with the future in a quite open way. We did a book this year that was giving a certain kind of answer to this thing. Obviously, when we speak about future, it's always, we will need the ball, you know, but I think sometimes you can approach future in a more humble and natural way. And one of the ways, I think, which is intelligent, is not thinking about one future. You think about one future, you only have, you know, the dystopian thoughts that giving you, because there are many things that are not going always in the right way. And the society is complex, and the world is, many things are happening, not all good. Then if you think only about one future, perhaps you have a perspective which is more complex and less humble, less energetic. And we thought, if you think about future like different futures, you have more ways to move on it. There's something is bad, but I can't move, I can't find a path to go through it. Then we were proposing 5 conversations in a book that the name is This Will Be the Place. We're asking to intellectuals, designers and architects, but people which are a kind of open-minded attitude about what they thought will be the next new behaviors, problems, attitudes, things, and they came fantastic 5 conversations, and those conversations gave us the way to think, 5 different ways to think our products inside a new future. Italy has been always open to new talents. If you see, for example, the production of Cassina, it was not only done with Italian designers. They were Magistrati, Bellini, and a long list of them, but they were, as I was saying, Ritvel Le Corbu and Charlotte Perriand and many other masters. Then Kita, a Japanese one. There was always this idea that talent comes from everywhere. Then I think this global attitude, this attitude to be curious about people who can give something to Italia, was always in the DNA of Italia. Then I think to approach the world we have today, where everything is interconnected, I think Italy is suffering less than perhaps other countries that they wanted to only have a kind of roots too much connected with the country. Italian design working with people. Me, I'm Spanish and I'm strongly Italian in the way I'm working. Then I'm an example of that. I feel strongly part of the Sistema Italiano of design.